Hello and welcome to Adam and Craig Do Stuff, where today we're doing the annual pass holders day at Thorpe Park. It's going to be a good one.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees, and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge.
Hello and welcome to what is a very, very sunny pass holders day at Thorpe Park. It's beautiful today, isn't it?
Absolutely glorious.
Beautiful.
So much nicer than last weekend.
Inferno is running beautifully in front of us.
Not on it yet, but yeah.
We haven't been on it yet. We've managed to bang out Soar and Stealth.
Yeah.
The only one that's not open so far is the Swarm.
Swarm, yeah, which is a shame. Hopefully we'll open later.
Yeah, he was testing this morning,
Yeah,
so I assume they're trying to get it open, and they didn't say it was going to be closed.
No.
I think the only ride closures that were scheduled were like Detonator and Storm Surge. I know Storm Surge was scheduled to be closed, which, you know, I'm not too bothered about.
No, we don't
Here
get
it goes.
Anyway, do
No idea whether you even saw that, but I'll find out when I'm editing, won't I? We're sat in front of the brand new Rainbow Wall. Way! There's been a fair amount of conversation about that on Twitter, but we'll say no more about that. But I love it. It's really colourful. It's got the Thorpe Park colours as well. And then the black and white stripes, I don't really know whether they're meant to be anything or they're just part of the design. But yeah, we've got the rainbow stripes and we've got the Thorpe Park colours as well. And it's also, if Adam moves out of the way, on the other side, so you've got the graffiti wall there and then there's more rainbow slash Thorpe Park colours on the other side. It's a really nice design, actually, isn't it? I don't actually know what colour it was before. Do you?
No,
I can't actually think
remember what
it looked like before, but it was obviously, well, it was obviously bland, because otherwise we'd remember, wouldn't we? You would have thought. But it looks absolutely fantastic. I love it. I absolutely love it. But no, it's a great day, and hopefully it's going to be a little bit more successful than last week.
Yeah, last week.
But already it's been quite good, hasn't it? Already it's been quite good. Soar's running beautifully. Stealth was running incredibly. And the sun, there's not a cloud in the sky. Look at that, look. Not a single cloud in that damn sky. Yes to that. Yes, all day to that.
Just banged out another quick ride on Soar just there. So the queue was showing us 5 minutes, so we thought we getting on that. And when we got there, it had gone up to 10, but we probably did queue for about 5, to be fair.
Probably about 8. I'd say about 8.
Maybe about 8 then, yeah.
I'd say about 8 minutes we queued
it is
for.
running like an absolute dream today, isn't it?
Because everything else is running on one train, isn't it?
Yeah.
Swarm has just reopened, which is where we're going now. Everything else is on one train, but Soar's on full capacity, so it's running like an absolute dream. Is that what you just said?
That is what I just said.
Catchphrase, sorry. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing. And so I think we'll get quite a few rides on that today because it's obviously going to be a lot less than. I mean, it's on 10. Everything else is on 30. Except for Swarm. I don't know what Swarm's on. I haven't even checked.
Not yet.
We've just seen it running, and so
we've dashed straight to it.
Bombed it over here to try and get on it while it's actually working.
And I'm glad it's reopened because I love Swarm, and I'd hate to come here and not get on it.
I know. Oh, look at this! Look at that!
Oh, no minutes. Oh, wow.
That is the most beautiful thing I've seen all day, and that includes Adam. So we've just had a ride on the Swarm, and I think it's safe to say that they've got the water effect working again round by the helicopter, because I'm absolutely drenched. Like, it's only supposed to like spray. Well, normally it sprays away, doesn't it? Like it's just a nice little effect, but actually, like it was like being punched in the face. It was
expect that at all.
Really strong, really hard, and I'm so like I don't know if you can see the splashes all down my jeans. Absolutely drenched from it. I might as well have gone on tidal wave at this rate. Look at my hair, man. Oh. So I think we're going to try and get on again because the queue's not too bad, but we're definitely going on the left-hand side this time, aren't we? I'm not doing that again. Look at the state of me. Oh my God.
It's been a proper successful day for us.
It's fantastic.
Yeah,
it's
brilliant.
Really
like
good,
we've done 2 rides on Soar, 2 on Swarm. We practically walked onto Inferno and Colossus, and we've even done Rush as well.
It's only just gone 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
And we've done all coasters, some flat rides, and some re-rides already. So it's really good.
Really
Complete
good.
contrast to what it was last week. Chessington, isn't it? And even, I think we did actually lie, we said they're all on one one train, but Swarm and Stealth are actually on 2.
Yeah, they are on 2.
And even though Colossus and Inferno's on
1. Inferno's on 1.
Stealth and Colossus are on 1. Yeah? That's right, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
God help me. And even though they're on 1, they're still below 20 minutes, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you really can't complain at that. I really don't think you can complain at that. And the sun's out. There's literally still no clouds in the sky. It's a beautiful day.
It is. Lovely.
Really, really impressed. I can't see the screen because of my sunglasses. So we're just having a bite to eat. And then we're going to go rewrite some more stuff.
Yeah.
We've done Walking Dead, actually, haven't we?
We hadn't done a Walking Dead, actually, and we hadn't done Samurai.
Although Samurai was shut. When we came up Colossus.
I already noticed that.
So I might not go on that.
Okay.
But we'll do Walking Dead and loads of re-rides. But I'm so impressed with today. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm really, really happy. Especially after 2 years worth of massive queues.
Oh gosh, yeah.
All through COVID, queues were ridiculous. And then obviously when you come to Fright Nights, naturally queues are insane anyway. So really happy. Here comes Inferno. Beautiful day. Oh, that has been absolutely amazing. I think that's got to be one of the best theme park days we've had in a long time. It's been one of the most successful we've had ever, I think.
Definitely.
It's been so quiet. The queues have been minute. Everything was open, which is a massive plus. We really weren't. Well, we thought that most things would be open, but you never know, do you? The sun's glaring, innit? And the weather's held out for us all day.
Yeah, it's been
absolutely
beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah.
It's been amazing.
It has.
It's been absolutely phenomenal.
Managed to
Adam's
get
hair
on-
is an absolute
I know, yeah,
state.
look at it. That's
Tells you how
probably-
many coasters we've been on today.
I mean, we've just done we've just done stealth twice in a row. 5 times today we've been on stealth.
5? 4? It's 5?
No, 5.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's 5?
yeah, 5.
There you go, you're a better counter than I am.
And then we've done 3 on all the others, apart from Colossus, we did that once.
Yeah. But it's been absolutely incredible, hasn't it? I've absolutely loved
it's been amazing.
It's been amazing to be back at Thorpe Park. It's just been such an amazing day. It's been an amazing day, and I'm so glad that the pass holder days are back after being gone.
I think this is the first time we've actually done the Thorpe Park pass holder
This is
day.
the first time we've done
apart
we've
from
done
the Friday night ones.
we've never done
but
the
like the
season.
open season one, we have never done.
But there you go, that's the day over with. So next week we're going to Alton Towers to complete the Merlin hat-trick of theme parks. So subscribe to us if you want to see that vlog. Give this video a like and a comment, and we'll see you next time we do stuff. Running like an absolute dream. Is that what you just said?
That is what I just said.
Smart, silly catchphrase, sorry.